Hello guys, here's Dimitri again with you. Today I want to talk how we can make some extra cash if you live in UK, and that's match betting. Basically that's when you betting and then you can secure 100% profit from the bettings you do. Yes, that's true and that's not a scam. I will need the help with the Sam, who is the invented this system, and then let's go.
Hey guys, Sam here, founder of Profit Accumulator. Every day we get asked hundreds of questions from our customers and we love speaking to them. And I thought it would be really helpful to put this video together to answer some of the most commonly asked questions. If match betting is so good, why isn't everyone doing it? Well, the easy answer to that is a lot of people are doing it. We've actually had more than 120,000 customers so far, all in the UK, so that's a lot of people. And it's only been around for a few years, so some people just haven't heard of it yet. You're probably one of them. Is it gambling? Can I lose money? No. So match betting is designed so that as long as you do it correctly, as long as you follow our instructions, we walk you through it step by step, you cannot lose money. So imagine you're betting on a football game. Because you've covered all outcomes, before the match even starts, you already know exactly what profit you're going to make, and you don't care which team wins because it makes no difference to your profit overall. So the answer, no, you cannot lose money as long as you follow our instructions. How much money do I need to get started with Profit Accumulator? So you can start with as little as £50. The thing about having more money with match betting is you don't need more, but it just allows you to do it faster. So let's say if you start with 50 quid, you can go and do the first sign-up offer and make your profit there, but then you have to wait for it to get withdrawn back to your bank account before you can then move on to the next one. Whereas if you've got access to a little bit more, it means you can do the first offer, and then whilst you're waiting for the funds to hit your bank account, you can get straight on the next one and the next one and the next one. So it just means you can profit quickly and get more offers done in a shorter space of time. I have accounts with plenty of bookmakers already. Can I still make money with PA? Yes, absolutely. So in fact, sign-up offers are just the beginning of your match betting career. You can actually make more money from what we call reload offers. So these are offers where you've already got an account with a bookie and they're trying to get you to bet again. So maybe there's a football match on Man City v Arsenal. It's highly likely that various bookmakers would do an offer whereby if you bet on that particular game, they'll give you another free bet. So it's not just about opening new accounts, even though there are more than 100 different bookies to open accounts with. You can still make money with the existing accounts once you've got them open. How much money can I make in a month? Like all things in life, it depends on how much time you've got to put in and how committed you are. For most people, it's an easy way to make a few hundred extra a month, 300, 400, 500, and that's only doing sort of half an hour a day. So it's not a huge time commitment. But if you are really, really committed, it is possible to make, upwards of £1,000, maybe £1,500 a month. But that requires putting in, comparatively more time and more effort. This seems too good to be true. What's the catch? That is a really good question, and we do get that one a lot. The main thing to bear in mind is this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. So you're never going to make £1 million doing this because there's simply not enough free bets available to make those kinds of profits. So as I said, most people, this is a way to supplement their income. It's a few hundred extra pounds a month, or best case, £1,000, £1,500 a month. So you're not going to retire on this. It's not going to replace your income, but it is a very nice little top-up every month.
Hope that was helpful for you guys and you understood a little bit more what's match betting, and then hopefully you're gonna take some action over it. Firstly, is that free to start and you can make 35, 45 maybe quid in your first 1-2 hours when you're starting. Also, I leave you on a link in description where you can go straight away to the website where you can see a bit more materials about the match betting. Thank you, and until next time.